Alright, to reset the oil life on this 2011 Mercedes-Benz E350, what we're simply going to do is put the key into the position, flip it over once, and you want to make sure that you are on the trip section here. You also want to make sure that you are right there where the miles are at. So we're going to go ahead and press the arrow one more time so you could highlight trip. While it's highlighted, we're going to press the call button and OK. First hitting the call, then hitting OK right after another. So highlight, make sure it's highlighted, call, and OK. And then that's going to bring us up to our menu here. We're going to be using the up and down buttons to scroll down. And we're going to go all the way to Assist Plus. We're going to hit OK. We're going to go down to Full Service and hit OK. We're going to configure service. It's going to ask if it's been carried out. Yes, it is. And we'll confirm the service. Full service has been carried out. And that is it. So after you do the oil change, and then that is the way you reset the oil life. Sweet. There you go. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.